Hi, hello, welcome. You might be wondering why we're in my kitchen right now, if you can even tell that this is my kitchen. I was trying to make it look somewhat presentable because this is so exciting. In this box awaits magic.
What's in the box?
Basically, I ordered an espresso machine. It arrived today, and I cannot physically wait until the next day to open it when we have daylight. So we're gonna make it work and try this out right now because I'm excited and I just can't wait. I have never had an espresso machine in my life before. I haven't used one ever. If you know me and have known me for a little while now, you know that I usually use this Bialetti, which is like an Italian coffee maker that you put on your stove. That makes great coffee. It also can create beautiful espresso, but it's the quality, well, I actually don't think I can complain about the quality of coffee because I have no qualifications whatsoever. Nevertheless, I wanted an espresso machine.
Are you dumb?
I was kind of planning on saving up money for a while and then finally purchasing this, but I'm so impatient, as you can tell by this whole video, that I just had to order it right away and decided to put away money for something else like a vacation. I'm terrible, but we're opening this right now. Ooh, how do I get it out? I'm gonna... So this is the Sage Barista Pro. It's an espresso machine that I don't know a whole lot about. I just saw it in a bunch of YouTubers' videos and thought it looked good.
Basic bitch.
Fun fact about this machine and its brand, Sage is the same company as Breville. How did I find out about this? Well, to some this might be basic information. To me, it wasn't. When I was searching on the internet, Breville espresso machine, nothing would pop up but the Sage machine. And at some point I was like, wait, these look exactly the same. They have the same price. What is going on? Well, a quick Google search later I found out Sage is basically for the European market and Breville more sold in like America, Australia, etc. etc. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Some instruction. Always good because I have no clue how to work this thing. I can see a lot of things that I already know about because I've been educating myself, okay? I've been watching a lot of Morgan Drinks Coffee. I think that's her YouTube name or TikTok name, I'm not sure. Morgan Drinks Coffee videos. She's this pretty well-known TikToker and YouTuber who makes videos all around the topic of coffee because she is a professional barista. She's pretty damn skilled and accomplished. I think she went to competitions where you make coffee. It's a whole thing. She's a crazy good barista. She knows everything about coffee. So if you want to know anything about coffee, please don't come to this channel. Go to hers instead. But basically I watched her videos and I learned a bunch. For instance, this thing right here, I recognize it right away. It's called a tamper or tamp, and you use it to tamper the espresso into this little thing. Okay, this is a mess. Yay! Okay, so I have my instructions right here, and it says this machine comes with a tamper, a portafilter. It comes with a grinder on top to grind your beans, 2 different filter baskets, one for 1 cup and one for 2 cups of coffee, and a whole bunch of other amazing things. Also, I'm really excited because it apparently comes with a stainless steel milk jug, and I need that because I want to make lattes. I can't even see it. Wait, let me see. Wow. So this is her. I chose the regular schmegular stainless steel look. They come in different colors though. In some countries they also sell a white/cream version, which I actually really liked, but they don't have it here. So I thought this one looked the best. Now we just have to figure out how to put this thing together and get it to work. And I just love reading manuals. Kidding, I hate it. Remove and discard all labels and packaging. Done. Clean the water tank, portafilter, filter baskets, milk jug, and drip tray using warm water and a gentle dishwashing liquid. I have to clean this whole damn thing. Remove the water filter. I thought this was the water filter. It's already removed. That's the water filter. Oh, from the packaging. Just read until the end of the sentence. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do all of that. This is really confusing. I'm supposed to soak the water filter in cold water for 5 minutes, which I did. But it's very confusing because it doesn't really go underwater, it kind of floats. And so I'm confused if that, you know, what is that even supposed to do? This makes no sense to me. Okay, so this is supposed to go on here. This way around probably, because that's the way it fits. This goes on top, right? And this is supposed to just... Okay, done, ta-da, is that it? I think that's it. These numbers are gonna tell me when I'm supposed to change the water filter. So right now we have January, so I'm gonna put it on number 1 in here. Okay, that looks pretty decent. And now I have to fill this thing up with water. All right, 10 minutes later and we're here. I put the machine in this corner because that's where it's gonna live anyway. So in the instructions it said I'm supposed to just press the power button. Okay, it says flush. Am I supposed to flush it? We're calm, we're collected. It's all good. Press the power button, did that. The machine will beep. It didn't beep. Did it beep? Press the 1 cup button. The LCD will show a countdown for the remaining time of the first use cycle. Okay, you ready for this? Okay, something's wrong. Turns out the bean hopper wasn't properly attached. That sounds different. That sounds good. That sounds like flushing. We're ready to make some espresso. Okay, coffee. I already f***ed up because I spilled some of it. Oh, is that okay? I'm supposed to press, turn 2 times or so. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use the tiniest cup ever, the double. It looks a little bit sad, honestly. It doesn't have a whole bunch of crema, which I'm a little bit confused about because this is a crema coffee. I don't know, should I taste this? I usually don't drink espresso just purely, but I kind of want to give it a taste. I don't really know what I was expecting, but it definitely does taste like coffee and it tastes like espresso. It's very strong and bitter as f***. But like I said, I never drink my coffee without milk. So this is the most interesting part because we're gonna try to foam some milk and I don't think that's gonna work out very well for us. I also wanted to try and create some latte art, but this cup is so small, I feel like that's gonna be really hard. Milk. Okay, don't know what I insert it, turn on. Okay, we're making bubbles. Make a little whirlpool, come on. Morgan said we need a whirlpool. Oh no. Holy shit. I have no idea if this is supposed to happen. I definitely burnt it. We're gonna clean that later. So my milk definitely has a couple of bubbles, as you might be able to tell. It's not super creamy, but a little bit. I mean, this might not be bad. Wait, I'm actually...
You better fix my entire life, you little shit.
This is supposed to get rid of the bubbles, but I have so many bubbles, I don't think it's gonna do anything. Let's try to make some latte art. Supposed to hold it like this. And pour from a high angle. And then, this isn't foamed enough. It's supposed to give it, ooh, a little bit. Okay. Amazing. If this isn't the best latte art you've ever seen, then I don't know what is. We're making another one. Hello, how is this supposed to fit in here? Seriously, what just happened? I think I accidentally might have put it in manual and didn't stop it. Oh, very nice and thick. Looking good. Give me a whirlpool. Come on, you can do that. This milk is even foamier, god damn it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but this milk is super freaking foamy from the top. And then, okay, that's not gonna work at all. Slow. It's just pouring milk. Oh no. Ah, there we go. I mean, really? It's just up for interpretation. This could be a dove, a flying dove, a squirrel. Oh my God, look, clearly this is a squirrel. I meant to do this. Like I said, we're gonna keep practicing and maybe, just maybe tomorrow, it'll look amazing. It's definitely hot. If I got the foam right, this would be restaurant cafe quality. I'm not kidding. It's great. It took some time to put this together, read the instructions and figure out how to do everything. I still have no idea how to use those cleaning tablets. Gonna have to read about it. I am also not sure if my water filter actually works because I don't know if I did it right, if I soaked it the right way. I guess I'm still gonna do some research on that, even though it's probably too late now because it's already in there. But anyway, the machine looks great. It's very sturdy, but also it's not a super expensive machine. There are machines out there that are way more expensive. I bought this machine for around 630 euros. It was on sale though on Amazon, so the original price is around 800-ish dollars, euros. I would say it is an expensive device to own, but if you really love coffee and are spending a bunch of money on it anyway because you're going to a cafe every day, this might be a good investigation. What am I thinking? Investment. This might be a good investment. But yeah, since I'm not a barista, I'm definitely gonna have to practice a little bit, but I'm excited. I'm excited. It tastes really good. I'm excited to make beautiful lattes for my future guests and friends and people who come over, and for myself and my boyfriend. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this right now. It's way too late to be having coffee. My God, it's 7 o'clock. How long have I been in here? Thank you for watching this chaotic video. I hope you liked it. I hope you like coffee. Otherwise, this was probably super uninteresting to you. But yeah. Okay, bye. I don't know what to say.